In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert signature in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to add a handwritten signature to a document without installing add-ons or using another app, this simple method will get it done using Google's built-in tools. All you need is your document open and editing access. Start in your Google Doc and look toward the top of the screen for the main menu. Click Insert. This is the menu where Google Docs keeps options for images, tables, charts, and in our case, drawings. From the Insert menu, hover over Drawing. A small submenu will appear. Choose New. This opens a separate drawing window where you'll create your signature. In the drawing window, you'll see a toolbar. Look for the Line tool. Click the small arrow next to it to open the line types and then choose Scribble. Scribble lets you draw freehand, which is exactly what we want for a natural-looking signature. Now, create your signature by clicking and dragging with your mouse or by tracing with your trackpad. Move slowly and keep a steady hand so the lines look smooth. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Use the undo button at the top of the drawing window or simply try again. You can take a moment to practice a couple of times until you're happy with how it looks. Try to keep the signature reasonably sized inside the canvas so it inserts nicely into the document. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Close. Your signature will be placed directly into the document at the cursor location, just like an image. From here, you can resize it. Click the signature once to select it, then drag a corner handle in or out to make it smaller or larger while keeping the proportions balanced. If it looks jagged when very large, reduce the size a bit for a cleaner result. To reposition it, click and drag the image to the exact spot you want on the page. That's the whole process. Insert Drawing, New, choose Scribble, draw your signature, then save and resize. This is great for letters, acknowledgements, or basic approvals. Keep in mind, this creates a visual signature inside the document. If your workflow requires a verified digital signature, you may need a dedicated e-signature service, but for everyday documents, this approach is quick and effective. Pause the video if you want to follow along in real time, and feel free to practice until your signature looks just right. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.